Hello friends, in today's video we will learn a very important shortcut, that is our mouse, or you can say a mouse cursor, or you can say a mouse pointer. So these are two terminologies, or you can say the same terminologies that refers to the visual representation of the mouse position on the screen. If you see, I'm moving the mouse, so if you see, clicking the right and moving, toggling here and there. While both the terms are commonly understood, there is a subtle distinction. Mouse pointer generally points to the combination of the physical mouse and its corresponding on-screen cursor, whereas the mouse cursor explicitly refers to the visual symbol itself. Okay. Now, the mouse pointer encompasses the physical mouse device and the visual indicator that moves as you move the mouse, if you see here, and the mouse cursor refers specifically to the on-screen symbol. Okay, this symbol, often an arrow that indicates the current position of the mouse and where user inputs will be received. Okay, now let us learn a small shortcut. If you see, this is color. Usually this is not a filled one. Okay, so to get this, what we have to do is we have to go to the window, okay, and type settings. Okay, now when the settings will appear, so you will have to open this app, and then beneath or inside the settings you have to click on the right, accessibility. Okay, now if you toggle up or down, move your cursor up and down, so you see this, there is a lot of things. So you will go show all results. Now you can see there are a lot of options. Okay, now what we have to do is to click on the right ease of access mouse settings, access audio. So there are a lot of things. Okay, now we will choose color filters, and on the color filters, if you see here, this is a mouse pointer. Now on the mouse pointer, okay, there are a lot of options coming up. If I click here, so you see that my color has gone, and if I point here, so this will make my mouse like this, and if I point here, definitely changes, and if I point here, so I get a lot of colors. Okay, so suppose I click this, so if you can see, the color has changed, and if I click this, the color has changed, and if I click this, the color becomes pink, and then subsequently the color changes. Okay, and you can make a customization further. Okay, and if you are looking for more advanced customization or animated cursors, you can even find the third-party tools or cursor packs online, so you can choose and find something on online also. And there are a lot of settings that you can do, even extracting, copying them to the desired folders on your PC. So this was all about how to change the color of the mouse pointers on your computers. In that case, you don't need to download anything. You can just adjust or customize the color directly through the Windows setting. Make sure how to navigate and how to play with the options.